Hello and welcome. Welcome. I'm going to do something that may not be the bestest thing in the world to do, but I'm going to do it. This PET, which I got not that long ago, unfortunately, it had where the monitor would shut off and such, but I don't think that was anything to do with what's going on. Just recently, I was getting ready. I was going to do a whole bunch of disk drive testing. When I had this turned on, I had it connected through the PET companion to another monitor. Yada, yada, yada. Everything was good. Everything was fine. Everything was dandy. And I started to hear this horrible buzzing from inside the monitor. And yes, I did see some smoke. And I thought, that is not good. It's really not good. So, excuse me, I have unplugged everything. I gotta see if I can get this back in. Once again, don't touch anything. There could be voltage in here. Now, from what I remember seeing, the smoke was coming from the right side of the monitor, from what I could tell. So what I've done now, I've set up two cameras. Let's see if this is going to do this. Okay, there we go. That is. Okay, I don't want that quite yet. That was just a quick blast. Now, I'm assuming, if I am not a monitor person, that this is going to be pretty much toast. So there. Oh, you know what I should do? In the midst of this. There, okay, I've got things set up on this other power bar over here that I should be able to remotely turn on the PET. Now the main board is disconnected. The only thing that will be connected is the power to the monitor. So, if you are brave, I am brave, I'm tempted, quite tempted, to zoom in on the flyback transformer. I am tempted. It is time. The bell tolls. So, this is going to buzz and something might happen. I have a fire extinguisher handy just in case. I'm going to hit the button on the power bar. And here we go. What is buzzing? I don't know. And stop. Oh, that's not it. That's over there. Okay. We have smoke. All right, I'm going to turn that on again. Let's see if the smoke continues. Yes, it does. Look at that. Oh, yeah, we have smoke. We have serious smoke going on here. Serious smoke. Okay. That's enough of that. So, I will have to consult with Rudy's Retro Intel, and see what he thinks that is. Oh, and Rudy is calling right now. Just a second. Hang on, Rudy. Just a second. Hang on. Let's try calling. Hello, David. Rudy, I've not forgotten you. That's okay. How are you? Okay, I was just saying your name when you phoned. As I'm recording, what I did is I decided that I would set up a couple of phones and aim at the back of this monitor. Nice. And give it some power. Oh, okay. And wait and see. Now it did buzz for a bit. Okay. And then, indeed, There was smoke.
Oh, you caught on video then.
A good quantity of smoke, yes.
Nice.
And it seems, okay, right near where that plug that comes from the bottom,
Okay.
there's a line of 4 things. Like right in a row, right near the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't know what they are. You would probably know.
They're probably either diodes or resistors, could be.
Could be. I would suspect, looking at them, they're all kind of standing up from the board, that maybe they're diodes. Anyway, the 2 of them on the right were definitely producing the smoke. Hang on, I'm going to turn it back on. Oh, I don't have the slow motion going anymore. You know what I think I'm going to do? Hang on, because you're here. I'm going to turn the camera. Just like I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to aim it down. Oh, yeah. Get as zoomed in as I can. And, ooh, it stinks. Woo. Okay, literally, just when you were calling. Okay, I'm going to turn it back on. Let's see. Do we get more smoke?
They're probably capacitors that are gone bad.
Well, it could be. They're cylindrical and black.
Yeah, they're should be capacitors.
They should be. I don't see the high voltage thing on the going on. Like the tube is not lighting up. Okay, yeah, I see smoke. I see smoke.
Oh, the fire extinguisher.
Oh, it looks like it's now coming out from under the board too. Oh, and there's a lot of it.
Well, at least you now know what to replace.
Yeah. I think I'm going to turn it off now.
Yeah, you don't want to be doing it too much because you might start a fire or damage some other components.
You might. You might indeed.
Unless you want to have, get some marshmallows and do a little roast.
No, I don't think so.
No.
I don't think so. Okay, people, that's it. Show's over. We know something's burning in there. There's also, because right now, okay, right near there's also a great big capacitor. Well, bigger. Anyway, yeah. Okay, people, show's over. I got to talk to Mr. Rudy. And we will see you again. Thanks for coming for the fireworks. Bye for now.